What you Victor go they do there now?
Directors and every staff of the Fcta. Let me, on behalf of my wife, my family, sincerely thank the Honorable Minister and their team for this surprise package. Yesterday, when the Honorable Minister told me that they want to see me in the office today, in fact, I was thinking that she was talking with the Minister of Women Affairs. So I will come to the ESCO today. So today I was funny to see the list of assembly, the list of women affairs. So I was waiting to see this president. I was still calling them, but I don't know when I was still playing. They said no, that they will still wait. Just for me to tell that the entire staff have organized this. I want to say, especially from the bottom of my heart, that I appreciate you. For the love you showed to us this evening. Thank you so much. Wherever you must have got this morning, God will replenish it. I assure you that all of us will continue to cooperate and work together for the betterment of justice. Thank you and God bless you.